Furniture, baby. We jammed my father for the last time. No, guys. About the 7 hours studio. We're not talking about Labisa, my father. I didn't tell her more any. Carnac Plagam Labisa. But no poem, no more. Ronaldo talks a gig of Labisa. Jajila Garo, it's over. No, don't poem, Mablin. The double in trend is a molar, hey, or the one or Chisu Kumana guy. I have a galera Labisa. Listen, Yananga, accent Yamla, someone. I think I have normal for once. For once. My fella Yamala Bis, I will not live in Navana. Ngana tomonol. Anam. Kasasburg Lane. Obagazo Suga in a malobo. I just video tissue. Can I be your friend? Lonyala ning rubuto rebat lonyala. Guys, and I'm still young for Linyalo. Linyalo gintolagi I do ya boncharu telejamonna. Emunar fofa wa fofa. So next time you have a relationship. How did my fella made you love him garu uru tuilebanna? I'll get back to that. The tuilebanna are not my man. I love my man, but I hate your men's. I love my man, but I hate your men's. So lenyalo le binda baby. So now I'm still young, guys. I still wanna go out there. I still want I'm still building myself. He's also building himself. So yeah. Lenyalo is not really a must. But man. Oh man, yo. Nana Geberli Shira. Yo! Or get berin to guys, okay. Mulfatin are retwana again. Mulfatin are twana lobar banyago barashole laur Mrs. Maifala. Now I feel like guys, guys, not I don't feel like I'm ready for Mokologwani. For Mrs. Maifala. I'm not ready for that part, guys. Are menyana are ageninyana. Children la magadi are reinvested re just stop nonsense. Re sabana batho ba badreng. Like you get my point. Now I'm not yet ready for again my love. Yantwanela. Thanks for the follow, Mbali. Thank you. So let's start It's not everyone bonyaga shole or Mrs. Man. And I think I'm happy where I am, like being Amy. Little got a my fella, it's fine. Let's call about I'm gonna find out every week. Now I can find it out about after a barashola or Mrs. My father. Yo! Let's come out of celebrity. Find out too. Find out every week now. Kimbokot. Yay! Yo! Now find out was a JD booty again. Like was yo, the was a Jenny, the was a Chinese tunya. I can't tell her because I wanna Harley. You posted my live. Why? Yes, let's can record. And I give you the joke. Can you be my friend? Don't let you show me. Like a dog for madam Madabulo. Now ska ba chomi ya ka o sena tšhelete o sena ngqondo o se ka hara relationship nna bo mosola bo ndiza bo mane ba tlo ba snake sa bo bona cause ha e kgonagale.